In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize Canva template. Let's get started by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click through to the official site so you're working in the correct place. If you use Canva often, it's helpful to bookmark the homepage so you can return quickly next time. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need to be signed in to access your designs and use the resizing feature. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're in the one that holds the design you want to adjust. Once you're on the home page, find and open the template or design you want to resize. You can choose from your recent designs or browse templates and select one that fits your project. When the editor opens, give it a second to load all elements so everything is in place before you change dimensions. Now look for the Resize button in the top toolbar of the editor. It's easy to spot and is the central place where all resizing options live. Click it to open the panel. Here, you can resize your design into whatever format you need using Canva's presets. This is perfect when you know the destination, like Instagram post, story, presentation, or A4 document. Choosing a preset helps maintain correct proportions for each platform and saves time. If you want to preserve your original layout, look for the option to create a copy when resizing so you can keep both versions side by side. If none of the presets fit your project, click on Custom Size. This opens fields where you can enter exact dimensions tailored to your needs. In the Custom Size area, you can change the width, height, and the unit of measurement. For digital graphics, pixels are usually best. For print, switch to inches or millimeters and match the specs from your printer or client. Keep an eye on orientation. Swapping width and height will flip a design from landscape to portrait or vice versa. If you're adapting a design to a very different aspect ratio, expect to nudge elements after resizing so everything looks balanced again. A quick but important note, the resize feature is available with a Canva subscription. If you're on the free plan, you may see the option but won't be able to apply changes until you're subscribed. Check your plan status if the button appears grayed out. That's it. You've opened your design, clicked resize, chosen a preset or set a custom size, and adjusted units to fit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.